Technology should make your life easier, not harder. That's what I've always firmly believed. And that's why when this company reached out to me, I was like, oh, heck yeah. Because I've been using their stuff for years. And you've seen it on the channel. You've seen it over here. You've seen some lighting over here. You've seen all sorts of other stuff. I've talked about them nonstop because I'm kind of a fan bear. And I'm talking about Govee. And it's not just the cool kind of like, you're an influencer kind of lights with all the color kind of rainbow in the background. Sure, it does do that, but it does a lot more. I can walk into my studio in my shop and say, hey, she who shall not be named, I won't set your device off, turn on shop. And all my lights turn on and everything gets set to the right, you know, the right, whatever it is I have it set for. And I don't have to go around every day and do the little flicky flick game, turn this on, set that, and do this. It all just gets put where I want it. And better yet, not only can I control it with she who shall not be named, I'm talking about this lady right here. I'm also talking about using it with your cell phone. All this through the app. I use it all the time. If you've been around the channel, you know it's true. I come up here and I got the app and I got everything going on it. I was using these products from Govee, oh my gosh, just for so long. But let me show you about some of the stuff. First, let's talk about some of the stuff that Govee sent over. They sent over 3 things. They sent over that ceiling lamp, this floor lamp, which not only does it put light down, but it also projects this really cool kind of, I think of it as a wave-like, a water surface kind of effect. I think it's awesome. My wife, not a fan. She said it makes her seasick. You decide for yourself. I love it. My kids love it. I think it's really soothing. This is in my shop over in the corner over there. And I think it gives it, like when I'm not, you know, producing a video or doing like hard work or something, it gives it a nice ambient effect. I, of course, can set it to a straight white light as well for when I need regular lighting. They also have this great desk lamp. In fact, full disclosure, Lowe's sent me one of these, actually gave me one back in February, and my daughter immediately stole it. So I'd never used it before this. But again, look, it can be set to a basic white light, super diffuse. And that's what I really like about this, is I'm a stickler for diffuse lighting. I hate hot spots, whether I'm doing photography or whether I'm just doing work. I don't need that kind of glare. And then when I'm not doing that, I want a more ambient kind of sense. I can do that. Also, they can be set to do where they recognize based on the sound, and you can do this weird color painting thing, but they can be set to like respond to music and talking and that kind of stuff. And yes, my kids had to set it up and play around with that, and there you go. And of course I had to mute it because we can't play the music. But the best thing is it's all smart, it's all controlled through the app. But as long as we're talking about the app, let's take a quick, hot minute to go through it here. So this is me setting up opening the app and setting up the table light. It's really easy to do. I love that Govee it finds the stuff it's supposed to find. And that's something, I never have to go and hunt for the devices. They're always just right there. And then you're immediately into the app. You can set up all the controls. You can set the temp, the color palette. They even have these scenes, they call them. They're kind of like little animations with the light, and they change the lights. And all. It sets a mood. It sets a mood. But there's so much more you can do with the app, especially with a lot of the other devices that are out there. I am, and I admit, I'm a total fan bear of the Govee products. Are they like built out of like full stainless steel and all that kind of stuff? No, they're not. They're regular consumer products. But I mean, let me show you here. This is the ceiling light. Of course, they sent this over. Sadly, I don't have ceiling fixtures, which is why I like the floor lights. Why you hear me talking about them so much. But we pull this out, and you can see in your shop, imagine a nice pure white diffuse light, and of course you can change it to mood lighting and everything else, but it'll do pure diffuse white, and then it just attaches via a regular, the ceiling mount for all your kind of lighting and stuff like that, and your wiring and everything else. This is probably going to end up going to my son's frat house. They need some new lighting in one of the rooms. He's like, oh my gosh, I'll take that. Fine, you take that. All right, let's talk about pricing and some specific features, okay? First, we're going to talk about the floor lamp. It's about just shy of 30 centimeters wide, about 170 tall. It's got the nebula effect. That's a kind of waterfall kind of thing on the ceiling. I think most people are going to like it. As I said, there's some people, like my wife, who are a little sensitive to stuff like that. So just be aware, okay? The tri-zone lighting, it does actually has 3 zones of lighting. So not only does it have the down lighting and the up lighting, but it's got like a UFO light in the light itself. So you got 3 different levels of mood and effect and all of that. Now, I want to talk about this because we showed it mostly in the color, mood effect lighting, but it does standard room lighting as well. So you can use it just like a regular floor lamp, as you can see there. So it does all of that, and you're not just stuck with the cool, streamer effect. Anyway, 3 different lights in one. So yeah, you can use it however you want. The smart lighting, of course, control it from your app. You can connect it to who shall not be named, all that kind of stuff. And anyway, that's the basics of that light. Next, let's go to the table lamp. The table lamp is actually really kind of useful, a lot more useful than I thought it was going to be originally. It looks like a streamer light, but there's really a lot more to it. Let's go through this again here. 40 lumens, 45 scene modes. That's a heck of a lot of options there. And it's got a bunch of presets, so you don't have to dial it in specifically to each time you try to use it. Of course, it's also smart capable, so you can talk to she who shall not be named, turn it off, and it's other ones. It works with Matter, it works with Samsung, it works with she who shall not be named, as well as the Google version of that. So whatever you've got, it's going to work with it. Also, talk about throwback. For those of you old enough to remember, it's got they call it pat to wake. You can't just touch it anywhere, but if you tap it on top, it wakes up. We used to have lights like that. I can remember being at a party with chaining a bunch of people together to see how many people we get to connect it. Not the same kind of tech. You can't do that with this, but you can give it a little pat on the head as you walk by and it will turn on, all right? And as you also saw, lighting, you can get it to tune to the music if that's your thing. And we showed that it does the basic room lighting as well. So you can get all sorts of different, lighting cues and whatnot. Timers, it's got timers. That's really kind of nice. If you need, there's some people who will wake up to that sort of thing. I'm not one of those people, but my little son is. And so I could set something like this, have it, flare bright white in his room and actually wake him up nice and gentle rather than a blaring alarm clock that wakes up the whole house. Anyway, so there you go. And then the third item is the ceiling light, which I wasn't able to demo for you just because I don't have, neither at home, I live in a house that's 140 years old. There's no ceiling fixtures in that house. There's no ceiling fixtures in my studio. There's none in my shop. I live a life without ceiling fixtures. It's weird. But it has most of those same features. You have the RGB IC, so it'll do the full color spectrum plus the regular neutral white kind of thing. And it's got uplighting and downlighting on it as well. So you can really, you can have the regular light in the room, but then create a color effect splash across the ceiling, which is pretty nice. And then of course it's going to connect. Oh, there you got all the regular lights. So you can control your hue and everything. For those of you who are interested, the lighting in my shop, I sit at 5600. That's the warmth spectrum. And so that's kind of in the middle, a little towards the warm side, because I don't like that cold, icy kind of look, that stark, almost blue kind of white. I like something that feels a little bit more natural, a little bit warmer tones. And of course, it has all the smart home features, which you can do. Smart voice, you walk in the door, turn on, blah. I have this here. When I walk in my studio, I'm like, turn on studio, and all my lights and everything come on. And when I leave for the day, so I don't have to go around flicking little switches, especially when I'm carrying stuff out or carrying stuff in. I don't have to deal with that. I just go to town. Anyway, as I said, big fan of Govee. Been using their stuff for years. I have it here. I have it at home. I even use stuff for my barbecue. Tons of great products out there. I've been a fan bear for a while, so I was really excited when they reached out and asked if they could sponsor this video. So thanks to them for doing that, and just do check them out because it's a lot more useful. Now people see the bright shiny colors and they're like, oh, it's just it's even for old dudes like us. You can have some fun with it, but it's also just really useful everyday kind of stuff. And that's what I love about tech that makes life simpler and easier. I'm all for it. So anyway, go check it out. Put links down below. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.